what you'll need is about 100 grams of fresh spinach, about 100 grams of feta cheese, roughly 1 handful of walnuts. I have 3 whole walnuts here, 1/2 of a small red onion, and finally your dressing. This is basically grainy mustard, olive oil, and honey, 1 teaspoon of each. Slice up the onion. Make sure to slice up your onion pretty fine. Then the walnuts. Just chop them up roughly. And finally, the feta cheese. You can either crumble it up with your hands or you can just chop it up really roughly. I like to chop it up into rough pieces, something like this. Take a large bowl, add your spinach into it. Make sure that your spinach has been washed. Then add everything in there. Feta cheese, the walnuts, the onion. I forgot to mention it in the ingredients, but of course, add in some salt and some pepper. And finally, our dressing. I'm going to start off by adding 2 teaspoons. It really depends on your preference. Just start off small and add more the way you like. And give everything a real good mix. And that's about it. Easy, delicious side dish.